Hello, this is Giuseppe Conti, the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning. It's not easy to go to your boss and ask for a raise. It may be interesting to get some additional perspective on this topic is look at the other side. What do you do when somebody comes to you and asks for a raise? Let's listen also to the perspective of some of the students at HEC Paris, how they manage this type of challenge.
I will try to listen at first, tell him to give me some reason why he's asking for the raise. If it is justified, I will try to collaborate with him to justify the raise to my manager.
It really depends on the person, the value that he brings to the company and the value he brings to the team as well, and also in terms of behavior.
To me, I need to answer my question. I need to know if I want to give this raise to this person or not. Do I value this person or not? And then if I want to give the raise, I wouldn't be too tough on that because I would obviously want to keep that one.
Negotiation is about being smart. It's about being visible in a company, and it's also about being effective. So it's how you play with the three topics to get the better results.
How to effectively ask a raise from my boss.
What is super important is not to talk about money very early in the process, not give an amount when it's not the time, and know very well what do you want to value yourself, and also about the package. I mean, it's not only salary, it's also the package that goes with it.
I hope there was some useful learning also for you that you can apply for your career or business negotiation. Check also our website www.cabl.ch for more videos and articles on this topic. Thank you very much.